Of every new album, when I choose the title, I like to the title to be a Sámi expression or word that I can tell a story around. And the title, Idjagieđas, which means in the hand of the night. I had a very good friend who passed away last year in January. She was then 94, and from her I learned a lot of things, and she told me stories like she was the one who told me about idjagieđas, which is an expression that we have in our culture when we have guests and we don't want them actually to leave, and then we say that, are you sure you will leave in the hand of the night, which means that you are, it's a kind of uncertainty and you don't really know what will happen.